Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Kindt Collins Master Sander. If you have questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools and ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Kindt Collins 30L. It's part of their Master Series of disc sanders. 30-inch capacity. The overhead guard is complete. There's no repairs on it, which is kind of nice. The table measures 19 inches by 58 inches. Does have one ding right here. If you can take a look. The rest of the tables are flat, but there is that ding. It's powered by a 220 440 volt 3-phase 3 horsepower motor. This is a really unique model in that it does have hydraulic table. So you can basically move this table up and down hydraulically. So again, that rise and fall is handled off of that control that you see on the side. The table does tilt inward and outward. Heavily built. Fully functional. X pattern shop machine used for wood. Go ahead and turn it on real fast. As you can see, there's no issues with it. Runs nice and smooth. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.